came out. Just came back from my first driving lesson. It was quite fun, I think, but also very stressful. I'm going to plan a bit my planner because some changement occurred. Because I just had my first driving class, I think what I'm going to do is note down everything I learned on the same day so that I don't forget any detail.
Butterflies are floating like your red hair in the breeze. Spring awakening, new love takes me into lilac dreams. Lay beside me, whisper softly your sweet empathy. Crisp reflections on the water of you close to me. Now you are someone I rely on. You make me feel summer days that drift away as we lay in the field. In the light everywhere, darling, make a wish. I close my eyes as I make mine, and we slowly kiss. Like ivy crawling up the wall, we need to feel the sun. 'Cause we've grown from contact lows, falling out of love. Maybe I ignore the signs into a medicine. Maybe you tried too many times to tell me you're done just getting by. No, can we fall back to place? Can we find another way? And maybe honestly,
One of my favorite drink. It's like a sparkling water that's sweet, but not as sweet as like Sprite. And the bubbles are like really thin.
winter brought me to the water where we used to play. Frozen solid, sinking softly, songs of yesterday.
This time I know how to get my croissant, right? Because last time I burned it, so I'm not going to put it in.
Songs of yesterday. Wilted lilacs painting all these broken memories. Blurred reflections on the ice of you close to me.
Today I went to the driving school and it was my second class. I want to train myself on the sewing machine, so I'll be making a crunchy again, but this time with the sewing machine. It's 40 by 15, I believe, because I like my crunchies to be larger on the side. And then the hairband, I'll try to make it 15 centimeters and see how it works. Fold it in two. And so the inside is what you want to show. It's like the right side.
Butterflies are floating like red hair in the breeze. Spring away, moonlight takes me into lilac dreams. Lay beside me, whisper softly your sweet empathy. Crisp reflections on the water.
You open it like this.
Close to me.
And then fold into two.
Now you are someone I rely on. You make me feel real. Summer days drift away as we lay in the field. In the light everywhere, darling, make a wish. I close my eyes as
Put one
I
hand
make
and
my
just take it
entry
out.
slowly.
And then just leave a small hole. You need to turn over this so you take it out from the hole. And then you have this hole.
like ivy crawling up the wall. We need to feel the sun, 'cause we've grown cold from contact lows, falling out of love. Maybe I've ignored the signs, tend to romanticize. Maybe you try too many times.
Usually I soak the soybeans overnight and then have it like made in the machine to make milk. Soy milk is like really good when it's fresh. If you leave it in the fridge, usually you take the taste the other from the fridge. So better not keep it too long. My friend asked me for kind of a logo for her blog. So I've been looking up a bit on Pinterest what she has asked me for.
We've grown cold from contact lows, falling out of love. Maybe I've ignored the signs, I tend to romanticize.